let's go over our DSS2 dynamic setup system. Now, this is our entry-level system, and we offer it in 3 different stages to grow with you. So this system was designed to be accessible to the majority of race teams out there looking to get into this dynamic setup technology. Now, just because it's entry level doesn't mean it's lacking any level of precision. It still comes with our precision joystick controls that motion the car up and down using our precision electric cylinders. So it has just as much precision as our higher end systems. It just comes in a little different package with not quite as many features. So let's get in and talk about how it's sold. First of all, we have stage 1. Stage 1 we call a stage 1 pull down kit. And the reason it's called a kit is because it comes with the DSS2 control, which is just the control itself. It comes with the precision electric pull down cylinders to motion the car up and down. It comes with the floor mounts, all the chassis mounts, basically everything you need in a kit form to get into pulling your car down. Now, what it doesn't include any scale stands, and you will need to have, you'll need to supply your own scale stands and your own scales. The scale stands need to be at least 10 inches tall. They can be taller than that, but they do have to be a minimum of 10 inches tall. And that's to the top of the scale pad itself. So if you supply your own scales and you supply your stands, you can start off with a DSS2 stage 1 kit and be in business doing high level dynamic setup work. Now, stage 2 includes the DSS2 control, and it also includes our lightweight DSS2 scale stands. Now, the DSS2 scale stand is a nice pull-down grade scale stand. It's got leveling feet, so you can level it up, so you'll have essentially an elevated surface plate in your shop. It includes the scale roll-off, so you can roll the car back off to zero your scales. And it accepts a standard 15-inch by 2.5-inch tall scale pad, which is the industry standard. Most all your scale pads are going to fit right on that DSS2 stand. So that's stage 2. Now, stage 3 includes the DSS2 control. It includes the DSS2 scale stand, but it also includes the DSS2 scales. Now, the DSS2 scales aren't standard wheel scales. This is a billet scale pad that is a high load scale pad. So this is a 2,200 pound scale pad, dual load cell, designed to do high load type scaling. And it displays on a wireless tablet style display. So you can use a tablet, you can use your phone, you can put it over to a PC or a TV screen, ever how you want to do that. And it does way more than just what standard scales do. This is actually a part of your pull down control. So it not only scales the car and gives you all your wheel weights and your percentages, but it also will give you, if you can add up to 4 additional sensors. So you can have your shock positions on here. So that will give you your center to center position on your shock. So you can actually read what your shock center to centers are right on your scale. So you'll know exactly where to go over to your spring smasher to get loads to the thousandths of an inch. In addition to your shock position, as you pull down the car and motion the car, it will give you your travel. So it's automatically calculating your travel. So that way you don't have to do the math in your head, what the difference is in your center to centers to know that you're getting, to 3 or 4 inches of travel or whatever that may be. You'll be able to see your left rear extension, or if you're on a dirt car like this, what have you. In addition to that, you can see the center of gravity on these scales. So this is the center of gravity position. So this is the location within the car of where the center of gravity is. So this is the point in the car that the car wants to rotate off of. So you're able to do all this right in these DSS2 scales. So that is the DSS2 system, an incredibly capable system that gives you a tremendous amount of information. You can add on the RS400 Pro system to this, so you have all of your wheel alignment in addition to your wheel weights and balance information. So yeah, just an incredibly capable system that's designed to grow with you, and so you can work your way into it and be affordable for, again, at least the majority of race teams.